Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is different, guys. Just look at this mess. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to be organizing this little cupboard in my kitchen, and I'm just going to be walking you through the whole process, guys, and don't forget to check the description box for every detail. I'm just clearing out this place, removing everything. I would later move them to another space to give me room to organize and just rearrange. You guys, like I have so many things in nylons because I mean, okay, poundo, half milk, half Milo. In fact, there's literally nothing in the Milo, guys. I don't know why I was keeping that container. Gosh.
I will run away. I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate. You won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly.
I got this jar set from Amazon, guys. It is so good. It is a pack of 12. It comes with stickers, and it also comes with like a measuring spoon and also a marker, guys. I mean, it is a great buy. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can also copy yours if you're interested. Got this Lazy Susan, and I also got a divider, a shelf divider, because I just did not want the space to be flat. I just needed things to help uplift the space as well, and I think these are actually good buys as well. down everything that I wanted to put on the 200 ml jars. Curry, thyme, white powder. I wrote them all down, and I'm just going to be placing them on the jars. We are done, guys. I'm so happy I did this. It feels so good to actually put some order and structure in place, especially in this spot. Gosh, this is your sign, guys, to go ahead and start to plan to do yours. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.